Good morning. Come along with me as we explore a 1.5 mile stretch of road that, contrary to its name, does not lead to a beach access. However, it will reward you with a stunning view of San Carlos Bay. This road is called Dixie Beach Boulevard. Dixie Beach is a right turn off of Periwinkle Way, just over a mile from the Causeway Road four-way stop. As you travel down the road, look to your right. You will be passing several preserves. Whisperwood Preserve, Dixie Beach Road Preserve, Dunes Preserve, and Dixie Beach Preserve. These are all parcels of land owned by the Sanibel Captiva Conservation Foundation, or the SCCF. Although SCCF has many properties that are open to the public, these particular preserves are not. Visit their website for more details. The left side of the road is part of the Jayanding-Darling National Wildlife Preserve and is also closed off to public access. When you reach the end of the road, you will find a delightful park called Dixie Beach Sanctuary Overlook. Parking is reserved for residents or non-residents with a B sticker. B stickers can be obtained at the Sanibel Recreation Centre. You can ride your bike, or you could take a 3-mile round-trip hike from Periwinkle. The park has bike racks, benches, a lookout point, and a spot where you can launch a kayak. And as promised, you will also be rewarded with this view. Whilst at the park, glance to your left and you will notice a singular dirt road that follows the coast. We will cover this hidden gem called Woodring Road in a future episode. Thanks for joining me on this trip down Dixie Beach Boulevard. My name is Nick Adams. Come back and join me on the next one.